To transfer USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Robinhood and Coinbase account, and that you have USDC in your Robinhood account. Begin by logging into your Robinhood account and navigating to the cryptocurrency section. Find USDC and click on it to go to the USDC detail page. Here, you will see the option to withdraw or transfer your USDC. Click on this option to initiate the transfer process. You will then be asked to enter the address of the wallet where you want to transfer your USDC. In this case, it will be your Coinbase wallet. To find your Coinbase wallet address, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the USDC wallet. Click on the Receive button and copy the address. Go back to Robinhood and paste the address into the required field. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the address, you can proceed to enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer. After entering the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. You will see the amount of USDC you are transferring, the network fee, and the estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. The transfer process may take some time. Depending on the network congestion, you can track the status of your transfer in your Robinhood and Coinbase accounts. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation in your Coinbase account, and you will be able to see your USDC balance updated. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency may incur fees, and the fees can vary depending on the network congestion. Additionally, make sure you are using the correct network, as using the wrong network can result in lost funds. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer USDC from Robinhood to Coinbase. Always double-check the wallet address and transaction details to avoid any errors. If you encounter any issues during the transfer process, you can contact the support team of either Robinhood or Coinbase for assistance.